Alright, today we're going to take a look at a new Zippo that is what I would call time sensitive, maybe, because tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. And here is the Zippo. Comes in a normal black box and it says free beer sign. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the insert. But here is the Zippo. It says free beer tomorrow. And tomorrow being St. Patrick's Day, this is a good Zippo to have. This is on a brushed chrome case and it was made in K of 17, which I think is November. Pretty good stampings on this one. It's got a steel insert. Fires up pretty good. That is the free beer tomorrow Zippo. Let's do a drop test. See if this Beer Zippo can take it. A lip drop test. Okay, so the free Beer Zippo passes the drop test nicely. It's going to go right there, close to some other of my St. Paddy's Day Zippos. And if you come over to my house tomorrow, you will get one of these. Well, not really this one, but probably one of these. So happy St. Paddy's Day. Definitely deserves cowbell. Knuckle bump.